Baby. The radio station almost kaofela. Butsweding, Josie, Lisady.
Wow.
Babua Kare, Bararaika province. But you see, this is the time I was telling you about. This is what's gonna happen. Now it's happening, baby. Everybody's talking about Asmo province.
But baby, Anna says Raporiano Tabuela Muslim. And a Ruri Felarahopola.
Come on, baby. I know No, I know you miss me and but you know what? This is just temporary, my love. Nah? Once the elections are over, I'll be back home. And when you will be? The first lady of the province.
Vela,
baby, I'm telling you. First lady. Yes, can I call you back?
Inelema.
Mike.
Lazama happy.
I don't know. I think I have to take this outside.
Oh.
Sandra, Wilfred.
What is it, Fred?
Did you get my gift?
What gift?
Come now, check your pocket. Do you like it?
Bantakwethu bonke abantu abasemagunyeni babuthakathaka ndiyanixelela abayicingi into yokuba bangabhaqwa babanzi.
Yes, Fred. Yes.
Hi, darling. You right?
Fine.
Dessert is ready.
Wow. Baby. For this pink shirt money gets a garaki filo garakina lobuso mizianas. Yeah, but I'm not going to the feather was, man. I mean, I'm a comrade, eh? I think I must wear something blue. Blue, baby.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
That's what you're wearing.
Then, can you bear it?
How about that? This is a little better.
Yes.
Baby, kana Marta argas labo. Let's not talk about mutu so much wa mola pain.
No, that's fine. You can handle that, baby. Today I'll be so busy. I mean, from more Kalamo Bara, from Bara, from college.
Wow, that's going to be a rough day for you.
Very, very, very busy.
Tima.
Mike.
Okay, take you check on my
Frida, I can't talk now.
Too busy to answer my SMSs. You said someone from YNDP will call me. It's been days now. You don't know now?
Yeah, but Bona, like I said it, somebody who took a phone from office. We are busy on a campaign, man. Elections are in 2 weeks' time.
Fine, ndiyakumbula kodwa awuzinozondibona uthe uyandithanda okanye sowulibele.
Look, I've got to go.
Whatever. And ngonxibela shirt ipink. Le uyinxibileyo ngoku ayikufanele tu. Undivile?
Sisitama.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Have a good day, baby. Enjoy.
No, I'm hoping I'm gonna Kawash.
Frida, Wednesday.
That night go in, Gidile, Shapu, Hobam Nati, Senkavaya. Next thing I'm phoning. Kilo Contu.
Of Onet. You're no famous. So, phone, eh? Can I feel like I didn't?
Famous. She calls me Kilo Contu. Can I let me throw? Umputarusi penti kamangazing. The next thing Umputalaga shirt. I guess psycho.
Man, I never ate that in tune fit. Utatu like I mucho, because whatever made I was wrong. And I don't know can go in a control.
Yeah, but your what's wrong against the psycho.
That's my king. I want to cheer this deciding. It's all stress and don't mess up and on the outfit. The most important thing is to focus on campaigning. So, I'm stress I can to say, so I never win a win. a re fine mfethu sa o relaxa re fine hayi yiyo nthiyo mfethu uthi mesa apha kangqondo yawo
Comrades, today at least we are continuing to show the power that we have. We are continuing. We are continuing to take over the province, comrades. Yeah. Nationally, comrades, and I think we are here and we continue, comrades, to fight. Amandla, comrades. What's wrong?
Some other girl nginikeze lento le athi nginikeze.
She write it for me?
Like seriously baba. Ulingana nami. Mncane. Ngitshela ukuthi uzoba stepmother sami.
Stepmother?
Iqiniso lokho?
No, uyahlanya man.
Yazi ngiphatha ngambaba ngalezi zami izandla.
No, don't worry my girl. She's mad. What's Ne?
Yazi abantu bathanda bo sugar daddy angibathandi.
No, it's nonsense. Bula cake. Come looking. When? Please, just stay away from my family. Man. Please stay away from my family. You don't even know me. Let's just get this straight, You must get it through your thick skull. All we had between me and you was sex. Get it through your thick skull. Sex! Okay? And stay away from my family. That's it. Baby! What the hell?
Morning, honey. What's up? Provincia. Bona Frida. Mapokola ke bolela gore re hloka motho se mo ntlong. Ke hirile Frida. Isn't she cute?
Jeez.
Tata down. Ndiyavuya ukwazi. Ndibe kakhulu ngawe lonto.
Well, listen, Moana, you little bitch. There is no job here. I want you out of my house.
Out where? And go where? After that, nyaka oyenzile umsebenzi anangijob ngenxa yakho kaloku cela undinike umsebenzi andiyi ndawo.
My party is about to win elections, and I'm not going to ruin that kabakala how.
Baby, divorce umfazi. Nazoba first lady kaloku anytime.
Divorce my wife for you. Watsenwa ne? Wahlanya. All I want from you is I want you to go. You must. Baby. Baby, please. Can we talk about this?
Warren says, "Haya kutonore." O batla gore ke lwale. O itshara ha ke setse ke sule ngwana wa ka o tla tlhokomela ke mang? He tshitso. O tla tlhokomela ke diakatse tsa gago tse. He tshitso. Ke tsone di tsele di dance. Tshitso, o itse ha o notla. O no se mokana. I made you who you are. Go ntirela magago tse ba setsana ba gago mo ga ka mo. O robalane le bona mo bolaong ba. He tshitso. Ke go batla go o tsole mo ntlong yana. Wa nkutlo. Ha o se mo ntlong ya me. La ponchisa mo kabo wa gago. Ha ke batle go utlwa sepe ka wena. Ke kopa dikhatsa go bile.
Bona, this is just a misunderstanding.
Yo, zihlobo zam, lumkelani izithembiso enizenzayo ngoba ngenye imini zingaphumelela. Uyabona, uThuso Tawu wathembisa uFrida umsebenzi. Wawufumana uFrida ekugqibeleni. abantu bayalibala ukuba umtshato sisithembiso esikhulu. Xa sophula isithembiso siye silahlekelwe bubuntu bethu. UThuso uye wophula isithembiso esibalulekileyo.
What do you want?
Ndifuna ulungise izinto.
What things right? Huh?
Hayi kaloku Thuso. Uzinyanzele kaloku kum and ndinobungqina. If awufuni ubhantshintsha entshilongweni ubomi bakho bonke for i-rape, ungixelele.
Wena. Sikhathi onhlanyetsa wena. Umphila kiri nobatla msebenzi.
Mamela apha wena, ndinobungqina. Eva? So mamela ndithi kuwe, if awurhoxa esikhundleni se-YNDP, zayokubambisa for i-rape. Hey, awundazi. Bye.
Washaja.
You did great, Wanyana. You know, I'm proud of you. Once I become the president of the party, we'll go places near you. Come here.
Amandla. Comrades, I know that I have failed you. But my personal failings should not be the failures of the organization. The movement must go on. The struggle must continue. Therefore, I'm here today to hand over to my friend here, Comrade Mike Lechaba, to be your new leader and take YNDP to the new heights.
Papa. Much as nazi ukuthi ngazalelwa kule community. Afunda khona la.
Wonke umuntu wayecinga ukuba uThuso Tawu wayenekamva liqaqambileyo nesakhono sokuba inkulu umbuso yezwe. Akukho nabani owaziyo ukuba kwenzeka ntoni na ngoba uThuso waba ngomnye waloo madoda. Mhlawumbi uMike uza kuthatha isikhundla. Lumkelani zihlobo. Abaninzi babesithi uThuso Tawu wathembisa ngekamva eliqaqambileyo. Kodwa iwonga lamenza wanyoluka. Ukunyoluka kwamenza isidenge. Wophula isithembiso esibalulekileyo. Hayi ebantwini. Hayi kunkosikazi wakhe qha. Kodwa isithembiso usophulele yena. Walahlekelwa into yonke. Endaweni yokukhokhela ilizwe aliphumeze emajukujukwini wazixhoma ngentambo yakhe.